Click here. Click on that. Where are we searching in? And where do we want our results to be? And add the formula. And as you can see, right there, formula's added in for us. So you've probably been looking around online trying to figure out how to do VLOOKUP in Excel, and everything online says it's super easy. Well, it's not, and that's the reason why you're here. I'm going to be showing you a tool that I have made to make VLOOKUP easy. And by easy, I mean like literally a button click and your formula is calculated for you automatically. And not only that, it's not just VLOOKUP, matching and index matching, and picks the best one based on what your criteria is. And it makes it formula based, so you can drag and drop the cells and autofill the stuff for you. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to get this program, and I'm also going to show you how to use it for free. So here we are inside of Microsoft Excel, and you can see I already have the EasyVLOOKUP application installed. This application is an add-in for Microsoft Excel, and it works for both Mac and Windows users. The main function, though, is the VLOOKUP window. So let's say that in here we have an ID number of 10202, and we want to find that number associated in this chart or this table. Typically what you do is you go into VLOOKUP and you have to type all that in, but this right here is in the second column, which VLOOKUP doesn't even support. Well, VLOOKUP window right here, if you bring that up, you can see that it selects for us the lookup value and where our answer is going to be, and we can actually change that around to select whichever cells we want it to be. And then all we have to do is specify the book that we want to pull from. So for instance, we're going to pull from the employee list, the worksheets, which is employees, the table, which is the EasyVLOOKUP table, and then we need to decide on what our header search is going to be. So what column are we looking in, which is the ID, and the results column. So what column do we want to pull our results from? And I'm going to say the names. So as you can see, it populates the possible names inside of the names column, and it even gives us a sample formula right here. So all I have to do is go to add formula, and as you can see, the new formula is added in for me, and it tells me that George is that ID number, which he is. And that's it. There's so many other features inside of this. For instance, the creating or editing tables, it will automatically pop up for you, allow you to edit a table, tell you what table you have, or it'll let you make a table. You can jump to whatever tables that you want. For instance, let's go to book 2, table 1 right here. Go right back to that table. There's so many different functions and features. Now, EasyVLOOKUP is a paid-for application. However, the free version of it has so many features in it that you probably will never even need the full version. The table creator completely unlocked. The VLOOKUP window is unlocked up to the first 5 columns on your table. And if you're not using massive tables, then that's all you ever really need. You have the search all function, which will allow you to search through all of your data tables and all of your open workbooks. The jump to, which will allow you to jump to whatever table that you want. The lock cells, unlock cells, hide columns, and unhide columns. They're all self-explanatory, and those 4 are completely unlocked as well. And then you have the selection print, which means whatever area you select, you can print in either portrait mode or landscape mode. Landscape mode is the only thing that is locked behind the purchase window. The rest of it is either available in a limited portion or completely available unlocked with the trial version. If you want to try EasyVLOOKUP for yourself, I have a link for you right there. There's also going to be a link in the description, as well as a blog post to explain everything to you. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I really hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips with Gray Technical.